Hi everybody, Chris Giles here from the factory. Hope your day is going awesome. Here we are on a Thursday. Just so you know, it's been 4 days since Thanksgiving. Interesting, I'm sure as you sat around that table, you gave thanks for all your family and your friends, and you made a commitment that you would take advantage of this year. Well, I want to be perfectly clear. I want to remind you of that commitment you made. I want you to remind yourself how important that family is to you and how important those friends are. And how maybe, just think about this. Put a little bit more effort between now and Christmas, because that's the next time we sit down and talk to them and tell them how much we love them, how much we care about them. Why don't you, in the meantime, take care of the people in your business world? I think too many times we separate family and business. Well, if you're looking for that work-life balance, treat the people in your business world in the same way. So today, what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to write down 10 people you're going to make a difference for between now and Christmas, and I'd like you to find a way to do it. Every time I ask these questions, as I mentioned, it does make a difference, and I bet you it will make a difference to those people. Those 10 people can be loved ones, peers, or people that you just want to make a difference for. I look forward to hearing about it. Wishing you the best. My name is Chris Giles, the factory. Carpe diem, my friends.